Rescue operations that were suspended about an hour ago now have been resumed. Aishwarya is standing by with the latest information. Aishwarya, take us through what's happened. Aishwarya, if you can hear me, take us through the resumption of the rescue operations. Now, what we are hearing at this point in time is that all air rescue operations that were suspended about an hour ago now have resumed. They were suspended due to bad weather, but now rescue teams are beginning to fly out of Dehradun again towards Kedarnath and other locations which have been severely hit. In addition, the army has told us that since all roads to the temple town have been devastated, about 100 paratroopers are likely to be airdropped into these locations. Aishwarya is now with us with more information. Aishwarya, over to you. I believe that the rescue operations have been resumed.
Well, that's right. The complete rescue operation as of now has been stopped in the state of Uttarakhand, keeping in mind bad weather. But as we've been telling, that the Indian Armed Forces has put in 100 more paratroopers into the Kedarnath Valley, keeping in mind the mass devastation which has been caused in the valley. The complete Kedarnath Valley has been reduced to a mere debris. But the matter of fact is that this vast devastation which has taken place could have been averted to a large level if the eco-sensitive zone which is being talked about, if that would not have been delayed.
Aditya is joining us on the phone line. Aditya, we believe that the rescue operations have now resumed. Take us through the latest.
That's right. That is some good news coming in, that the rescue operations have been resumed from the Jolly Gandhi Airport of Dehradun. That's what the Indian Air Force has confirmed to Times Now. That at least 2 choppers have already taken off in front of us. We are actually stationed, Times Now is stationed at the tarmac where these operations are being planned. We spoke to Air Commodore Rajesh Esar of the Indian Air Force, who is the chief of the operations, Operation Rahat, and he has confirmed to Times Now that the choppers have been pressed into service. In fact, at around 12 in the afternoon, specialized Sarang helicopters of the Indian Air Force will be pressed into service. Let's remember that the Sarang have been pressed into service to take fuel barrels into the upper reaches of Uttarakhand, where smaller helicopters are being taken. Even as I speak, one of the choppers that had actually gone to rescue the people in Kedarnath has returned. It is just landing even as I speak, and we presume that there might be some people who we will speak with who have been evacuated from that region. But the Air Force has confirmed to Times Now that the most critical portion of the entire exercise is the area between Kedarnath and Guptkashi, where they feel that at least 5,000 people are trapped and the Air Force is unable to land in that region.
Affected are the Harsil sector valley, the Kedarnath, which is very severely affected, and the Badrinath, which is affected but not in a grim situation. Our main focus is towards the Kedarnath valley, where there are thousands, according to estimates, the inputs are still coming in, thousands of people stranded. The district administration has done at all districts here too, and including at Kedarnath, done a very good job in providing all the supplies. But we'll just wait for this aircraft to taxi out.
आज खराब मौसम की वजह से राहत कार्य पर कितना असर पड़ा है, कितना स्लो डाउन हुआ है प्रोसेस?
थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन हुआ है. वी विल कैच अप. इट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. वी विल कैच अप. हम शाम तक फ्लाई करते रहेंगे, तो वी विल कैच अप.
सर, लेकिन अभी लगभग कितने सॉर्टीज हो पाएंगी 24 घंटे में? कितने सॉर्टीज एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप?
जैसे कि कल हमने वी हैव डन मोर देन क्लोज टू 80 सॉर्टीज यस्टरडे. 80.
पिछले 48 घंटों में कितना राहत कार्य हुआ है?
करीब पिछले 24 घंटों में हमने मोर देन 500 लोगों को एक्चुअली निकाला है जगह से जहां वो बहुत बुरी तरह फंसे हुए थे. और आज होपफुली विल बी क्रॉसिंग दैट. वी शुड बी टचिंग अराउंड 1000 पीपल.